Songster none of your patriots. You know it's I call you saboteur, you tour boy. I'm here represent for pretty girl. Tom, fret them. Dr. Love, where boy put in night chicken? Where pussy put in night chicken?
No, sir. Puss nah rubbing. Me no know what she a do. That
Puss,
fool.
I look people fi come rub for her.
Right. You know what she a do. She drop a chin. Then she go for all these different people that have nothing to do with nothing. That's nothing to do with anything right now. How that have to do with rubbing the ape?
Exactly.
This has nothing to do with the ape. Like rub the ape, rub from beginning to end. At least me can say one thing. The Yamed, she end up rub from beginning. All comedy in it.
Love Sanders mash her up.
Right.
Bad. And I'll
No
know Puss can't
come
come
back.
back. She can't even get one round
Right.
in. Queen of Rubber Dub can't get one round. That's sad. Puss,
That's
you
what I'm
can't go out
saying.
like this.
No, she have to come back, man, and clap back. Clap back, girl. Ape, monkey, gorilla. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. Clap back, bitch. The fuck? You think they're gonna go so yo, if anybody was rubbing me like that, it not working. No, no, no. From morning till night, me no stop. Me no stop.
Will not kill me like comment.
StormBoasie boyfriend. He wouldn't know. Oh shit.
No, sir.
This is serious. Twins going live together. What yo? They're not easy. You guys are not easy at all, yo. I swear. You call each other bad and see if they know the difference. That's funny. Oh my gosh. But me said, Saunders give it to the blood clot gorilla. She give it to her bad. Me not hype up for her either. I me not like her. But
Me not like none of them, but we have to pick a winner and Love Sanders a
right.
win.
Right. You have to give what's due to Caesar, and she rub her clean and proper. Me not lie. You know me hit the blood clot junk for them. But I saw it go. Straight up. Puss a look help. Puss is looking help, yo.
But nobody no want help her.
Right. Because all she do is say, go on man, go on rub man, go on rub. Fuck. And then she leave the phone alone. Yeah. And go and make the people them a rub by themselves. And then when somebody clap back now at the person, she run go and hide. She hide. That's all.
Want them a draw for diary.
Yeah, because they don't have no lyrics. They don't have nothing to say. Puss don't know everything that Puss is drawing card with Love Sanders. She is basically getting it from us. And the information from we she use. Make sure move her dirty blood clot. Go and go find your own file. Why you not draw for the ape file on your own dog shits?
Me say, and there's so much files with Ape where SWAT team put out. Like, what the hell?
Exactly. Everything will be put up about them. What that they by use for each other. They're using our files on each other. Dummies. They're so stupid. Oh my god. And them say we are not the best. Please, we are the baddest. The fuck don't know. We over here are the baddest, okay? Can't fucking fool we and kill we and trick we. Moving a blood clot.
This two side not stop call up them enemies name.
Right,
But at least Love Sanders a quote where people say. Them after they
right.
play half an hour water mess live where people do.
Exactly. Right. I play over the voice note them. The one dege voice note them I play for all 20 minutes. Never heard that yet. One voice note, so where's the rest of them? Because she don't want to play what she say. She just want to play what Love Sanders say. You understand?
Love
Mm-hmm.
Sanders not erase everything.
And that's the same thing the bitch did to me. But she don't know say me move fast. She don't know say we are no idiot. Me call that. She learned from us how to cover up screen and all these things. The Yamid, that ugly fucking monkey.
Love,
So we
Love
hate the girl.
Sanders learn from some
We
food.
hate the girl, yo.
Me
Hmm?
know you hate her.
We hate the girl. And you know what's so fuck up? Is that she don't know who I am. She doesn't know me. Like personally. She may see me once or twice, but she don't know. You see what I mean? Know everything, but everything from top to bottom. And that's what fucking dirty Puss I use and clap her with. Move your germs yourself, Puss. Go beard.
She better go bed before she come on live.
Right. You spear powder
Cause
up
when
on her
she start
chest.
live, she not
One
done.
whole buckle. She go run for Keiko and Brittany. Where are with them there? Why aren't they running out? Because they see that when the whole of Sanders thing was going on, she had tell Keiko for done. Or if you tell Keiko for done and you are sit down there and rub Tanya. You're cussing Tanya, but then you had tell Keiko to stop. How that work and how that look?
She a
As a
cuss Tanya. Everybody a help her cuss Tanya. But she don't want help people them cuss Love Sanders. Me glad when Love
right,
Sanders come out, she just start bust it from Puss.
exactly.
She no bother wait. She hear two shades and she don't like it. She just start bust it.
Mm-hmm. All of the comment section, the woman start. Don't fucking kill me, the woman. She come with her 3-4 page to us, and she said she not have. She said she not have no fake page. Bitch lie. She'll make a fake page with my picture, Fred them picture, Tanya picture, the whole Chin Allen picture, the whole away. But just change up the name like a little bit different, the spelling a little bit different. Move your blood clot, Ape Sanders. Go back on YouTube, bitch. And I talk about you take down channel. You not take down nothing a blood clot. Me faster and quicker than the wall I own no. You think me I gonna make dumb people like Una take down my page? You're fucking crazy.
I think she
Me
said
have
she see cake or throw a word pan her pitney or some crap like that.
really. Hmm.
Cake on the pan smarty live a laugh about
Yes, Dan,
her
we are.
pitney.
Yep. We are the baddest and the best. You know, this is why something. Yeah. And you know what pissed me off when I hear Love Sanders say, "Oh, um, I'm a Canadian, you know." And shut the fuck up. No, you're not. You're Jamaican, bitch. You came when you were young. You're still
Oh, she never
Jamaican.
born. She never born, yeah.
No, she wasn't born in Canada. At Jamaica, she born. She move her blood class. She and her two brother them. And one of the brother get deported. She don't like me, You don't see how she hot me. Because I thought the things that she don't really address me or address what I'm saying. Because she don't want to have to answer to the people them and come out and have to say certain stuff. You see what I'm saying? So she kind of bypassed it. Move your blood clot ape. You know your whole life history. And you're still living in the blood clot housing project in Driftwood. Move yourself. Fucking dog shit. You grew up in the hood and you don't want nobody to know say I get how you was raised in a, and now you live in a suburbia where the bush is. You live in the bush. I live in the city and you live in the bush. Yeah, the correct Riding Hood. Oh fucking John Crow, you get catch. What happened?
Yeah, Puss scared. I love Saunders for sure.
Yeah, that's me. You hear me, man? You know, hear me, man? Me not have the cast by the friendly ghost run around your so. None. We're quiet like church mouse and can't fucking hear him. You hear the tough manly voice in the background was my man. Okay, dog Sanders. Yeah, me have a man. In Dana me yard. Move your dirty blood clot. Oh
Really?
fucking peasant. Oh skirmish.
That bad diary? Fuck, man.
Yes, the whole of Jane Street. Bap, bap, bap. Money, money. Why? The woman said, me still live at Jade Fit. She forgot she went to go fight the air. She never go fight me. So I don't know the fuck she had talk about. And anyhow me buck her down at Jane Street, Jane and Wilson where her dad work, or wherever. Trust me. Me not do talking. Me not in a no long talking. I'm a fighter, eh? I don't really cuss like that. But trust you me. When I bought this woman a beer beating she a get, beer lick, then she will know who I am after she don't get the beating. This blood clot crow bait. And I have something in store for her, but just how weird to drop it. Oh God. You know I'm gonna say, Lord God have mercy. Just wait. I wait for her to come back and roll in for fucking Puss. Me I gotta drop it blood. You guys gonna be like, what the hell? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Just like how she said, oh, my brother never got deported. She has two brothers. And the one that she went to his house, that was the other one. The one that got deported is in Jamaica. Make sure move our dirty self. His name Shotty. Move yourself, Love Sanders. Me find everything out about you. Dirty dog. And that is your house. That 3-bedroom. Move your dirty pussy wall. But oh, I have a 5-bedroom with 5 bathrooms. Fuck a lie. Lie? Oh gosh. Oh my god. Lie fuck. Show the people them bathroom, then go home and show the fucking chaka bathroom where full of everything. Our flamingo they on the top of the blood clot. Toilet seat at the back. Flamingo. You know I hear?
That house does not look like no 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom.
Shall have washer and dryer in the blood clot bathroom. Jesus. So that means that you don't have a laundry room. Oh my gosh. And you know what's so embarrassing? The size of her house, like the width of her house is like 1,500 feet, right? That's the size of my condo.
Don't
Don't
make she
fucking
hear
kill
that
me.
condo, you know. Don't.
And that's just a condo. I have a 3-bedroom. I have a 3-bedroom condo, right? That's the same fucking size as our house. Your house not that big, bitch. You could put your hands out in the bedroom. You could put your arms out, and you could almost touch the wall to wall. What the fuck you talking about? Move yourself. And my condo is nice. It's fucking beautiful. It's nice. Mm-hmm.
You sure not somebody else condo you gonna take picture of Storm?
Me? No,
The
man.
woman's mad. Me can't believe the woman show people bathroom and they take picture and they act like a fair place. Like
Who
you
does
dream
that?
for that kind of place. Just work towards it. Stop fucking
That's what I'm
hype on people's
saying.
shit.
I always tell people this, right? I love nice things. But at the end of the day, if I want something and I know that I want a certain couch or a certain um ottoman or something in my house, I am going to save and then
Exactly.
buy it. You see what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Little by little, get three. And a
Me hear
drink,
she a
please,
cuss
babe.
Puss put her better England. She put on £5, £10. But say at least she put down money and buy it. Oh, diary.
Post immigration. I don't need too
Uptown.
much
I'm a
surprises. Hope
gangster.
she goes live again because I want the
Good morning,
surprise.
fret them.
Good morning, Fred. What's poppin'? We hear the junker them a call your name, Fred them. They move themselves.
You know, reach home yet, Brash. We come bust out Erica
Yes.
files. You have your files them ready, cause you not company life till you have everything ready.
I am back. I'm Mr. Trust me. For me, please. With these here. Bumbleclat. What you want
It's
here?
a bumper last
Bumbarasclat.
class.
Bumbarasclat.
Oh my god.
Christmas kid easier. Aw. They say we even laugh alike. I don't know. I don't know.
No,
Oh
sir.
shit. Why you want me say that, Chris Biscuit? Why? We say it alike? Or what? Fred the him. It's the same person. That's not. Don't kill me. Oh shit. Mm-hmm. And you know what pisses me off is when Love Saunders always talk about her kids. Them everybody's kids are kids. They're teenagers. They're little kids or the whatever. You see what I'm saying? But don't make it out as if your kids are doing anything wrong. You see what I'm saying? Don't make it seem like your kids them not do nothing behind your back. Your kids them are smoking. They're doing all kind of shit behind your back with those white kids, and you don't know what them are do. You don't know. So hush your mouth and stop talk. Fucking at people ears. Move your dirty ass.
Mm-hmm.
Bumper ass glad.
Yes, Janet. You have to come to stand, sister. Yes, sir.
When she come for me, I drop something out for her. You see? Every time I drop things for me story, she always come. No
Right
matter how
then.
me block her, she always come read up. Her little dirty
Love
self.
standards not stop bust it up and post. Two
Yes,
days
Fred
straight.
them.
Love
Yes,
standards are murder post.
Mr. Fred them. She give her one piece of or rubbings there. From top to bottom. From beginning to sky. She rub her out the left.
All no puss can
Puss
make a
can't
comeback.
come back. She can't come back all now.
Yes, Janet, you are.
Mm-hmm.
That's what she said. Me nah call her ape because she said anybody call her ape, she'll report them comment.
She report me and try broken on my blood clot phone, that fucking ugly ear.
Yes, fret them 2 days straight. Today are day 3 actually.
That bitch.
She murder post.
She
I don't
rub
know
her
why we
out.
sound alike.
Lad. Did say a
Yeah.
coolie.
Ape have 3 nothing. Palm post. 8 verse gorilla.
Right. Ape versus gorilla. 2-1. Fret them. 2-0.
A 3-0.
A 3-0. Yes, she just come. Me bumper clot. Jesus. She never take down nothing.
She say she take down your page,
She
and
lie.
if she realize say YouTube not take it down and she see it back up in a couple months, she'll report it again.
She can go and report. She better make
And
sure
big time
and keep
entertainment,
looking.
she'll take down them page. She go and fret them
She
page.
can go on. I hate my page. Make sure move her dirty blood clot. We're smarter than that. Hello?
She not ready for
I
fret them
knew.
page because she
I
not have enough
knew.
followers
I
yet.
knew that she was always reporting my page every day for every different thing. And I wrote to fucking YouTube. I told them about her page. That was a few weeks ago. And then I got a message saying that it's been reported or whatever for copyright or some shit. One of the videos from what's it called that I put up, but they told me that it's been reported over and over. They're investigating where it coming from, so she better mind her blood clot page don't come down. Yes, sir. And they gave me instructions. I could hide it, or I could just take down the 2 video with Tanya. Shall report the 2 video with Tanya and Fred too. Tanya and Fred them live and my live with Tanya. We should move ourselves. I took those down. I just hit it. Fucking bitch.
She said she not going to permission for use her face.
But at the end of the day, who the fuck wants to use a fucking ugly face like that? Come on now. Who the fuck is gonna want to use a ugly? Why wouldn't we want to use Rihanna or Beyonce or one of them? The face. Why would we take the ugliest of the ugly? Bitch, bye. Please. And then when she find out, say, baby Lee, I use our picture. She said, oh, it's a mad lady or whatever. So why you not gone? You get your face. It flinging out the blood clot Niagara Falls. Why you not go get it and just go to YouTube?
She said
Why are you still here?
she has sue.
She can't sue nobody. She not
She
have the
has
money.
sue Chin Allen, even
She
if
can't.
it's $2.50 a month,
Hold
$2.50
on. Let
a
me
month.
ask you something. So how she got sue Chin Allen when Chin Allen is not her blood clot name?
For
Hello?
defamation of character.
Pick sense out of nonsense. She called police pa Fred them.
I
She
don't
called
know
police
nobody
pa
name.
me. She called police pa Tadia. She called, and then she's the one saying that she don't call all these places to report people. You can imagine how much people she sent back to Jamaica, especially people with confident, like talking to her and telling them that they're not landed and
Shereen,
stuff
she
like that,
said,
and then she
okay.
report them.
I guess that's Shereen. She got charge.
How is she gonna charge
somebody.
Shireen when at the end of the day that person, you see what I'm saying, that doesn't even come on the live or come anywhere on you know what I mean,
She
like
said a couple
cussing.
days before Christmas, one of SWAT team called police on her, and she
Good,
had to. She
good.
wasn't
That
on
be
live and all these
that be
things.
happen. That be blood clot happen. Where's the baby?
Yeah. Tematsuno.
How is a person that's broke gonna want to sue anybody? Does that make sense? Come
You know,
on now,
the woman said even if
Island
a
Candy.
$2.50,
Two
she
dollar
wanted.
fifty. She just wants to do it just to say she's gonna do it. You see what I'm saying? Make sure she come like Amari. Amari bring Dr. Love, go a blood clot court. Regular court just family blood clot court, the woman go. And the judge run her out. Cause Dr. Love have all the proof and everything. Make she move her. Yo. She go and like say Amari is our blood clot mentor. Dirty dog shit, Amari. Dirty life. Dirty life. Dirty life. Yes. The whole of them are live dirty life. I'll post 2 in it.
Me love
Dirty
Amari.
life. At least Amari funny. Me can watch Amari because we know her lies them. We know her and she look way better than them blood clot ape for sure. She better looking than even though she have one skirt mouth, one long blood clot mouth. She still better looking than the bumbo clot ape. Talk truth. Talk truth, the candy.
Me just love Mari.
Right. She funny. She funny as fuck. Amari funny even when she a lie. Even when she a lie
Madam,
and
I
talk the
feel
dick
like
them,
him.
Amari blood clot lie. She
Feel
lie,
like
but she
him.
funny as fuck. Me not lie. Me rather watch Amari than listen to the blood clot lying ape. Lie for eyelash for everything. Lie about every fucking thing. With her kill me both them. Ugly as fuck.
No, sir.
If anybody make up a name called Ape Saunders for me and that and Saunders and Melate, me cut off all Instagram, all YouTube, all everything. Me don't want nobody call me so. That's her name on Instagram. Aren't you embarrassed, bitch?
Ape Sanders.
Single star. Christmas kid. Leave me alone. Yeah,
Everybody
Ape
know.
Saunders. We give her that name. We give her that name, Yamed. We give her Yamabella, Fuckabella, Suckabella, the whole of the Bella them. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yamed was her original name. Yamed Saunders, yes? And it step up to Ape. Oh, the blood clot, dirty lie. Go and sing Candy.
Dirty
Sing Dirty
life.
Lie.
Dirty life. Dirty life. Bitch, go like she a wife. Bitch, you a knife. Something like that.
Where's the card then?
Me love Mari.
She funny. She funny bad. I'm not lie. Mm-hmm.
What? Oh God. We're married.
Boom.
Very funny, but I lie. Ape name stick. Yeah, it stick. Yes, COVID, it stick your fuck. And liar. The biggest liar on the internet. Lie about every and anything. Yeah, mate. Mm-hmm. Ape. Ape Saunders, yes. She drink and smoke like everybody and go on like say she a innocent. Oh, I'm a nurse. Nurse me blood clot. Nurse which fat. Nurse where? She's the nurse. She's the fucking nurse of the internet where I go around and I bada every blood clot body. Make she move her dirty blood clot. Move yourself. Her sister is a nurse, okay? If you want to me to bust out the secret them. Her sister is a fucking nurse and she's trying to walk in her sister's footstep. Fucking lying ass. Onisha is her blood clot sister. Mm-hmm.
Our sister, the nurse, not she.
Yes, her sister is a
Lie.
nurse.
Like, you don't need to tell
Exactly.
anybody nothing about you, so that means you
About
don't need
your
to
life.
lie.
Right.
Exactly.
Why tell anybody about your life? Put out what you want to put out there. But she's putting out from she come on from she come on YouTube and start cuss with she talk about I have this and you have that and why are you comparing to anybody? We don't give a fuck. We don't care. Everybody lives in their own household. You see what I'm saying? They buy their own groceries. They buy stuff for their kids. They buy clothes to put on their kids' back for their self and for their spouse. Why the problem? What the fuck is the issue? No, you want to come say you have Porsche, you have big bathroom, you have 5 bathroom terrace class. Some what do you call those places? Mansion don't even have 5 big bathroom, like 5 full bathroom. I mean, they could have halves and stuff like that, but some of them don't even have 5. So where the fuck y'all go? We a 3 bedroom. Fuck out of here. But her license, my credentials could get me in the front line when I go to the grocery store. Bitch, bye. Where? That's one thing I don't like, is a liar.
I've never seen nobody with them getting no special treatment, but with
just
her
because they're a
credentials.
nurse. Right.
Lies.
Oh, I just show my badge. I just show my card and go up to the front and I don't have to wait in line. Shut up.
I don't think so. Me never made me live in Canada. Me never see that happen
Me
with
too.
no nurse or nobody.
Exactly. You
Fucking
could have been
lies.
doctor, you could have been nurse, you could have been
Lies.
surgeon. You have to wait in line like everybody else.
Yep.
Don't
Even the
matter
old
what
people,
you
them
are.
many people them in a wheelchair.
Right.
Unless you want to tell them to go ahead of you. But it's
And
not
since the
like
whole
you have
COVID,
to. Nope.
the whole COVID thing happened and people all have to wait out a door and line up.
Yeah, they
Because
have special time for the old people.
right. And then
During
the
COVID
regular
time.
people, they come
Yeah,
at a certain
after.
time. Right.
Yeah.
And they make you wait. Even if it cowl outside, cowl, you still have to stand up in the line and wait. No matter what you are, surgeon, doctor, dentist, whatever. Shall I? But
She forget
I
she
have.
not the only one living in Canada.
But hold on, Canada. In Canada, I know that we have a health card over here, right? We
Yep.
don't have to pay for certain dental work and stuff like root canal and stuff that you have to do surgery and stuff like that. You have to pay out of pocket, right? If you don't
Yep.
have insurance or
Unless you
whatever.
have Blue Cross. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but she's making it seem as if she has to pay for everything and this pays for that. No, stop lying. There's people and then she's talking about her kids. Oh, my insurance cover my kids. Bitch, the kids have a health smile or healthy smile or whatever card that they get from the age of whatever till 18. What are you talking about? And
Yeah,
it's
you don't have to
free.
pay for the kids. It's free.
It's free
Canada
of charge.
government takes care of their
Their
kids.
kids,
Free
right?
till 18. They give you money every month.
Every
If
month,
you have a
right?
big kid under 7 years old, you get extra money for that kid. Yep.
Exactly. Yep.
And love the
Just like
money
how
for
they were
people.
giving out 1,200 and people are getting 600 or whatever. If you have a
Mm-hmm.
child that's under the age of 6, you get the 1,200
Yeah, more
because you
money.
have more. Yeah, you have more kids, right? So any kids that are under the age of 6, you get a lot more
A lot.
than regular people. A lot, and not to
Yeah.
mention the baby bonus for each
Mhm.
child is $500 per child. So make sure move ourselves. She fuck you and tell people.
She have too much
Lie.
money, so you know that every month she get enough money for
Hmm.
them people there.
She always had talk about,
Child tax
Shireen,
comes
here.
every month.
She
You
said,
get money
oh,
for your kids.
Shireen, I'm gonna stop your baby bonus and this and that. But why are you gonna stop hers? You don't think that people are gonna call and report you? Like, trust me, there's people on the internet that don't like you, and it doesn't even have to be one of us. It could be just any random person on the internet that knows your name, dog shit, that's gonna call on you. So whatever you do to people, it can be turned right back onto you. So you have to be careful. Lord, me, I give
Yep.
her a warning. Yeah, strict warning. Yeah. Whatever you do to people, it's gonna come right and And you're reporting Chin Allen. That's not even Chinoya something. That's not her name, dumbass. Fuck yeah, I get name from. You think people are gonna put their real name on the internet? Only certain people who are already bloggers or people that are known, you see what I'm saying, will put their real name. But people with in a bad list like me, you think me I go put out my real name? Bitch, bye. Oh, she show people picture up on our page, but oh, this is her and this is that's not me, you dog shit. I put up a picture on my page already. You see what I'm saying? Yes, you have my picture, but you don't know me. You don't know nothing about me. Nothing. You don't know about me. Only stuff that I want you to know or the world to know is what I put on my page. Fuck out of here. Damn junk girl. I mean, I feel lie about nothing. Me go top, but me put up my picture with my mirror and stuff and the painting, the way I paint my house. Just one little part I tape, and she end up go pay the white people that talk about, oh, we're gonna paint this room gray. Shut the fuck up. You're such a red eye. Red eye. Red eye. If Tanya put up a plate of food, she go and say, oh, see what I'm cooking, guys? See what I'm cooking? And them can't talk to me and this and that. Like, shut up. Tanya go talk about her kids. Yeah, talk about, oh, how your kids they in a university and college. Bitch, you said one of your kids is out of college, university. Make up your fucking mind. You come and don't even remember your lies, them. She said one's out of college, so how him reach back in a college all of a sudden? And that was just a few weeks back. Move your dirty blood class. Stop lie. Stop lie. Just be yourself, yo. But, oh, you don't have no content on your page. But everybody I follow me, though. You're bad mind and jealous. Fuck out of here. Nobody
Yeah, cause
don't
she
like
said you
you.
have
Not the style, no pattern.
over
You don't
4K
have no style to
subscribers.
her. Yeah, I have 5,000. And when I first started, I had 2,500. So how me reach past she and she only have 800. She's still at 800 from how much? From 2 years back. How you still there? So I got 2,000 people in between that time, and she only have 800. Does that make sense? That means people don't like you. People not watching you, or you buy your views, bitch. You buy your followers. Move your dirty blood clot. Fuck a lie. Like Amari buy our followers and views. We're not stupid. Mm-hmm.
There's
Would
no
you hear
damn
me
phone.
lighter? You guys hear me lighter in the background? Yes, me a smoke. You can hear her lighter flicking in the background too. She smokes cigarette and weed. And then she attack down on people who smoke. Run up. Oh, duppy. So what if
So
people
she
want
made
to
them
smoke
grow weed
weed?
in her backyard in the summertime.
Yes. Yes. And people are a reporter. People report her dirty blood clot. You fucker, yo. Mm-hmm.
Inside though.
But only a certain amount, right? Listen
Four,
to this.
four plants.
She ended up putting up a video. Listen and take heed, okay, guys? Take heed. She put up a video. She did a live, I mean. She put up a live. And she was on the live talking and dissing up everybody and saying, oh, fret them and this and jiggy this and that. Then she's like, I rub on myself and that and I have a licensed firearm and I'm not afraid to use it. What? Run up. That's what she said on her fucking live. And she's saying we spliced video. Bitch, we never spliced nothing. You said it on your live, bitch. Stop talk fuckery. Stop Stop talking shit to the people, them like people are idiots. Stop it. Fucking old ducky. Me hate the girl. Lie about every little thing. Everything she lie about. Then she talk about her grandfather. My grandfather was in the World War and he died on so and so when I was 8 years old. And then she turned on and said, what she say, Candy? He died in 6 years ago or some shit like that, right? Oh, he died 6 years ago. But and then when I was in my class, the principal came and called me out and this and that. You so fucking lie. You know how long ago World War was? That's to show you she never finished school, dog. She never finished school. Because if you did learn in your history class, look how long it was, what, 1952 was World War? Or 53 or something like that? My mother not even born them time there. My
Me
mother and
hear her
father.
say she have Puss, at least her kids aren't turning her in a grandma, like some people kids. And the next day, me hear little boy say, "Grandma." That was weird. Like, why lie? Who cares if you're
Exactly.
30? He's 38, right? Oh, she love cuss people underneath. She's 38, so she said. And she have all these grown-ass kids, or
Kids.
all these
Right.
kidneys. And when she a breed from? No, sir.
From she in a grade 9 or yeah, because she got pregnant in high school. She got pregnant in high school. She was young. She was like grade 9 or 10. Round this up. And then it was the biggest thing in a Jane and Finch. The biggest thing in Finch that she was breeding because her parents were strict. She never grew up with her mother. She grew up with her dad and her stepmother. Lord Jesus. Yes, me I read out your file, dog shit, John Crow. That's why you never hear her say nothing about our mama. She grew up with her dad. She's always say, "Oh, my dad did this for me. Oh, my dad did that for me." And yeah, your dad. And it was the biggest thing in Jane and Finch in Driftwood. Yeah.
Wow.
Then they moved. Then all of a sudden, poof, we not see her again. So they probably moved her out the area the way them so embarrassed. Because she young. She was young when she breed. Yes. And then she breed for Big Mac will live at Eddystone. Me know a Big Mac. Me know Big Mac. From Eddystone in Finch. On
So she
Jane
went bad
Street.
when she little. She used to love fuck.
Fuck all about. And the man them run away.
Love
The
sadness
man
don't
them
get me. I'm just asking. I don't know.
the
You could
man them
compare your
run
side.
away. She can't rub me. Me not give a fuck. Me rub her back. She end up. The man them run away. First she was gonna give it to the Guyanese one, the one we dead the other day. 13 weeks ago, that same one on my page, the light brown one, him. She gave it to the first one to him. Then when she breed again, she was gonna give it to him, but instead she gave it to Big Mac, and Big Man said no. And I feel me pick me and run our way. But your husband is for the man in your house. No, he's not. The one in your house,
Then if you know me
the
can't
baby
fuck
father that
them,
you
I
have
go
in
rub
your
me
house,
out.
the one in your house is the one for the two little girls. I'm not even sure if the other 12-year-old daughter she has, if that one is for the man in her house. Because she said, all of the pity them after that, man, you're lying. Stop lie. Stop blood clot lie. The first baby father was dead named Tony. Move your dirty blood clot. They named Tony, and then Big Mac, and then now this one, yeah. That's
Oh,
3 baby
so she have
father
a
you
dead
have.
baby father too?
Yes, him dead 13 weeks ago. She love talk about, oh, your baby father, Tanya baby father, fret them old man, this old man, that one. But yours just dead. So why you not talk about that? Why you don't come and talk about that dog shit? Yeah, 13 weeks ago, he dead. The man dead. Yeah? And he was Guyanese. You love talk about me at Trinidad and me at Guyanese and me at all these different
No, Diary,
nationalities.
not for this bagger. You cannot. You gotta
But
fix it.
your son is half Guyanese and Jamaican. So hold on there. If you're Canadian, who's the Jamaican? Because I know he's half Guyanese and Jamaican. So who are the Jamaican? It's obviously you, bitch. Stop whining like you're Canadian. You're not. You're fucking Jamaican. And then
With a
your cousin.
Canadian citizenship, that's all.
Yeah, but
You're
then
not a born Canadian.
she's cussing Keiko, say Keiko, okay, Keiko and a Jamaican or whatever. We are doing that Jamaican people war. But you are saying that you are Canadian. What the fuck you are doing that war then?
No, yeah, Jamaican parents. Keiko need to fuck off. Me don't like that gal. But she
She
don't
don't
like
like
Jamaican
Jamaicans,
girls.
right? Fucking
Fuck
old
off.
dog shit. Make Keiko run up.
Yes, fuck that bitch. Love Saunders have Jamaican parents. Fuck dirty Keiko. Make sure you go in. Fuck. But you don't like Jamaican bitches. You Jamaican bitches. That shit pissed me off that day over King Mixer.
When we come with stuff, anytime we come with stuff, we are come with real file and facts. And we drop them. We all drop them. Tanya fret them. The water we drop them. Right on our head. Boom. Yeah. And then she don't answer. You know why she don't answer? She talk about something else and direct the energy somewhere else. Then you hear her start talk about Keiko and she start talk about Brittany and she not talk about what she come to talk about. Like breast dinosaur Keiko. I love Sanders love talk about film breast long like this and that. Take off a shirt and walk and let's
Yes,
see how
yes,
long your blood
nasty.
clot
She
breast
said
be.
one.
Oh nasty
Over King
girl.
mix up a talk about you Jamaican bitches. That's why she not like Jamaican girl. Like the fuck? She
Put
and
some
one
back
girl a
up and
cuss in
pack
her
up.
comment. And then
Right.
she a come take that whole time out. Me say all the man them start cuss her over there the day.
Good.
The Jamaicans. Then you
So
classy walla we bitch.
exactly. Right? Bright. She bright. Fucking bright.
I always come over there like, King, I just went to Red Lobster. I'm eating lobsters and like, fuck off with that overnight lobster. Them stuff they not
Right.
taste good after them cool and overnight. That's gross.
Exactly. It's
Gotta
nasty.
eat that shit fresh.
Yep. And when they make it, the all the lobsters are all fresh. Well, hopefully they don't catch all lobster and then feed to people. It's always fresh, and you can't warm it up the next day. It don't taste good. It's nasty.
Darius, that drink.
Crackhead ready.
You ready to come
The
bust some
fish
shot?
fly before dirty bathroom. What? Yeah, Love Sanders. Yo, I'm telling you, when she ready for Sid Survivor, when she ready for her, she going to rub her about her toilet. Is it? She's going to rub a double about her fucking toilet. Yo. Anything that anybody tell Love Sanders, she take and tell them and cuss them. Mm-hmm. Yes, drop your rum cream, the diary. Yeah.
Lock it. Oh, him have the key. Fuck.
Mm.
You still don't go out the door. So you see when he pull up.
You think anybody could have run up on my child and video and me not do nothing about it? Me I go to the person yard and knock them blood clot door and drag
You
them
should
out. You're
listen to me when
crazy.
you wake up to come out of your damn bed. Fuck man, I don't know why you couldn't get up and come out. Just like how him wake up and get up and leave the room. But you want to lay down. I
Me I
met knife
lose
in a
my
man
man
head.
for lives, cause
Oh,
if these bitches touch me, him, I got the time. If him left me, I have no backatives, Lord Jesus. I could talk like if your kids them are the fucking world, and our kids
yeah,
them do
all
this.
you had to do is get out of the damn bed. It's so bright, man.
Mm. Wonder why Keiko and Brittany not come rub for Puss. Huh? She don't rub for anybody. Puss don't rub for nobody. That's why nobody now help that fucker.
She no
But she
deserve
a
no.
black bee. She a blood clot black bee. Puss black out the dust to this to rust. Don't kill
Must have
me.
the end job. I'm not dash you in a garbage already.
Right.
Let her go fire.
And she come right back over. Don't kill me. Her blood clot teeny rat me out with her fucking snitching self. After me then I still got cock up good across me leg and lock me fracture. I listen. The fucking girl talk and make me get dash when in the blood clot. Yeah, bitch, can. Holy shit, that was funny.
Exactly, Paulette. Puss not help them cuss. As soon as them want cuss nobody, Puss I tell them fi done.
Right. She always tell them that. Done. Uno done. Uno done. Really? After them rub them out so proper, neat and proper? No, no, no.
So them stay
That's
over there
why?
for 1 year straight with Puss I rub Tanya. And she couldn't even rub with them for one little week.
Exact. One day. Hello? One day.
Okay, one day.
One day. It was like half a day when she was when Keiko and what's her name was rubbing. Wait for Puss. Puss say uno done man. That's why me never say nothing and Ray. Like God. No SWAT team now that would never happen. Never ever see one of the SWAT team members out there and the next SWAT team members out. We're gunning. We're out like mad people. Ready for fight war. You fucking crazy? Hell no. Mm-mm. Story by comment. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back. But it was also confirmed that the subject is a grandma on Post Live last night in a comment. And 2 days ago, we heard the child say, Grandma, booklet. That's the comment you want me to read, Janet? Lord Jesus. She's a grandma? We are at the eight.
Yes, they are, diary. Baby Lee said it's a well organized organization. They got a signed shit. He can't
Oh,
reveal each
shit.
other. Baby Lee nearly killed
Right.
me last night.
Right. Yeah. Don't kill me.
Okay,
If it's
continue.
a contract, carry the
Seems
bloody
like it
fucking
vex.
oh, baby. Baby Lee's funny. Tiny with shape like spit vex cause I cool with y'all. God jeez mm-hmm. At the end of the day, um they can't say nothing, they can't tell with nothing. With guns out, blazing, straight. You know, see SWAT team members that turn them back on them one another, cuss and a rub out
And
them
that
one
man I
another.
said to Baby Lee last night, I'm like, one thing though,
Hey, what's
from
going
me the
on, fam?
social media, I know about SWAT team, at least me not hear SWAT team at turn against each other. Baby Lee said, that's right,
Right.
well organized. It's okay, I can tell.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Me thief, two of the people them wig and send it come diary. You know, I'm working I warehouse. So I'm telling you. Whose page is what?
My Raleigh and then Amanda Hall or whatever. Who that?
I don't know that one there now. Who?
Probably Erica or one of them. One of them
Or
must be do
Nicole.
it.
But I
Right.
don't know which one. I'm not sure which one. I'm sure about breaking news though. I'm positive about that one because I'm not stupid.
Exactly that. Oh, Jesus. Who says she fling we at the garbage? Yes, she fling we at the garbage, my love. In the big truck. Don't kill me.
Brush that Erica.
Oh, those pages are
Amazon man
so
come there 3 times
low
today.
down.
I know me have them days there sometime.
That's
Like I have
pages
yesterday,
are
me
so
have today again. Oh no, let me go on
I'm
and no
gone
only
three
time.
times today. Me say,
I'm do I sit down and order. I wanna
say
make some steak and egg.
Puss says she fling us in the garbage can and she fling Miss Paulette in the force.
Yeah, she have to get bottom.
She got a bottom. Don't kill me. That shit was when she was talking like that, like when she was talking about that, that was funny. I'm not gonna lie. When she fling me in there, that
Yeah, they
was
do.
funny. Erica behind all those pages, of course. Yep. And with Amazon, you get benefits, don't? With
Yeah,
Amazon. I'm gonna start
it's
working
good
on
if you can get your
Amazon.
own contract.
I'm gonna start selling. I'm gonna start selling my products on Amazon. I have a lot
Amazon.
of. I have a she. They think that this whole Instagram and YouTube is like our life. Like, bitch, bye. Love Saunders think I was getting paid or something. I was just putting up the videos, but you see, because they ended up reporting it one time before, it got monetized, right? But then I put up the one with her and her family them on it, and she reported, and it ended up getting a strike. But move your blood clot, Love Sanders. It's not my life, bitch. What is a fucking YouTube channel? What's it? Anybody can make another one or others, or like I have more than one. What are you talking about, dumbass? Please, can't take nothing. Be that blood clot. Don't kill me. How you fi go in it too with our deep voice? Don't kill me. Damn right. She come on my page, don't come watch up my page.
Me soon private my page too for the new year.
So all who I sit there with fake page, gonna have something coming too, no? I can't wait for
Okay,
the
Brad.
end of
I think the
February.
live is soon done. And
I'm
then I go
going
come
to
right back
post
because usually when a 4 hour I end,
post
and I
this
almost 4 hours.
in the fucking garbage. I can't wait for end of February. I'm going to put her puss in the fucking garbage. Watch this face. And if you get to how I'm like,
Read to let me.
why people out here doing that. Because these people go so far. Guys, I go hear it through the speaker good. Just give me time to charge the speaker. But big pussy girl, Erica, you're going down. Yo,
Hey,
Miss
yeah,
Paul.
I bright, she bright.